Hi, this is MarqueeCrew, and I'm going to solve a problem that's on the community right now with you. Um, Somebody would like to use Regex to transform their data from being something word to looking like this. And I'm going to show you three ways to do that. If we know that this is the structure of the data all the time, it really doesn't apply itself well as a regular expression. And so what I want to do is I want to show you how you could solve this problem. And we're going to call this output 1. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a substring. And the string that I'm going to be looking for, and what's really a good idea is to use the input so you could see the data here. The string is data, and it's going to start at, and this is magic, find string. What string are we looking at? We're looking again at data. And what are we looking for? We're looking for a space. And we don't care about the length. We're just going to find all of the data. And there in my data preview, I've got what I'm looking for. I'm going to hit run, take a look at the output, and I've got leading spaces in there. So I'm very close to having the solution. I could put a trim around this, or I could say wherever that data is, just add 1 to it. Whoops. +1 and run. And now I've got the answer. Okay, so I like that formula. It basically says wherever I find the first space, start in the next position and then give me everything to the right of it. Perfect. Yay. The next we're going to do is output 2. If it's always 3 words and I want the second and third words there, I could say I want to take my data and I want to replace just a regular replacement of data. And I could say get word data, and the word that I want is 0. It's the first word that it sees, plus a space, and my replacement is going to be nothing. And I get the results that I want by taking that first word out of the equation. I could have, again, instead of the plus space, I could have done a trim on it. If I'm going to use a regular expression, then I've got a regex replace. The string is data, and the pattern is going to be something I'm going to put in quotes, and I'm going to find it by a group. I'm going to use a group construct, and I'm going to say group 1, $1. And my format is going to be, I want everything up until the first space, and then I want everything after that. And I'm just going to magnify that. So that's dot any character 0 or more times up until the first occurrence is the question mark /s of a space. And then I want everything else is inside of these parentheses. It's the first parentheses, so that makes that this. And there are my 3 outputs. They all look about the same. Have a great day. Thanks for joining me.